Grimm Salon today, and I promised my Grimm Adventure fans that I was doing a haircut today. I've been cutting my hair now for over 25 years. I have a number 4 blade here, a shield on my horse shears. Do the top, the number 4 blade. Do the sides, number 1 blade. I do this once a month. I save money by doing that. Here we go. Okay, get the top. Okay, here we go. Get the top. Get the top. I'm a pro here. Grimm is a pro. Go. There we go, number 4. Okay, here we go. There we go. Look at this. Okay, guys. What we're gonna do now is switch blades from the 4 to the 1 blade. Okay? And do the sides. Okay? This is a 5-minute haircut.
Hope I can grow up to be like you.
I'm a great guy, huh? Here we go.
Like you're bald on the sides.
What? What's up? What's the woman?
Just leave it like that.
What? I've done it before.
A little short in it.
Okay, it's doing good. Look at this. Ooh.
Shh.
He's mad about that. Okay. Here comes the fun part, guys. Here comes the fun part, people. Watch this. Okay. Go. What I'm doing now is bend over like this. I'm a guess. Wait. We're gonna go here. Go across the top. Even across the top. Boom. Okay. Put that there. Okay, here we go. Okay. There we go. The hair's in there. Look at the back, see how bad it is. Okay, miss the spot there.
Over there.
Huh? Miss there where? Okay, got that there, smooth that out nice. This is once a month, people. I'm saving $30 a month by doing this myself. Okay, here we go. we go. Ah, God. How's the back look, babe?
Bad.
You
You
sure?
get a spot right here.
Spot where? Okay, I'll get it. Okay, I get it. What I should do is turn this off real quick and see in the mirror. Got a mirror there.
I can't tell you do it yourself.
See you. Holy shit. Wow. I think there's a big spot there, didn't I? Wow.
I think you need to go a little over the top part too again. Just a little on the back part.
What's that?
Once you do the back, do the short part, you need to go over the longer part a little bit more.
Okay. Okay. I love the sound of the buzz in the morning, man. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay. There we go, there we go, there we go. Okay, get that there. There. Feels good. Feels good, feels good. Okay. Look better or no better?
Yeah.
Looks better, really? You for real? I like that.
You always gotta
like
get. You always gotta get
I like that
through
look there.
here
Right there.
more. And some of it's just old hair, though. It's just can't tell.
There you go. Thank you, baby. How do they look now, baby?
Like
Little
brand
winner,
new.
Little winner chicken dinner, baby. Woo! Grimm's got the skills, baby. But they don't pay the bills, but you know, there's still skills. Looking good, man. I'm a professional. 1-to-1, people. $30 saved.
All right, go
God
over.
bless America, people.
That's it.
That's it.
All right, let's see a big smile.
I gotta do here is clean my mess up.
No, you're not done. You gotta go over this again.
What again?
Back there with the larger one.
The larger one.
Yeah.
Larger one, why?
Because it's not even.
It's not even. Larger, but that's good. That's good. Good technique, baby. Larger one. Oh, wow. It's a good technique, baby. Thank you.
Good thing I'm here to tell you what to do.
You know, you're my assistant.
Yeah.
My wife. My wifey wife. Okay. Go turn this baby on. Number 4 blade. Here we go. Here we go. Good job, baby. You saved my ass again. Oh, baby, you saved my ass again. I'm like a pro here, huh? I'm like a pro, Bob.
Something like that. Oh, you missed a big old.
What?
Look at all that you missed, man.
I missed what? What I missed? Okay, I see that. I see what I missed. I see what I missed.
Mostly the very back, yeah.
Huh?
Looks better though, but you just gotta go through it, make sure it's all.
Gotcha.
Not so fast.
Huh?
Not so fast. Alright. Okay, let's see the finished product.
You finished? Okay, is it ready to go?
See, it looks like we're got some going, nothing.
Where?
This looks, I don't know. Let's see the back. Let's look over here. Let's see. Okay, that's a great job. All right.
Well, I'm thinking.
Bye, fans.
Bye, Grimm Adventure fans.
You cannot tell that was done. This looks great, baby.
Okay, I got your number 1 blade again. Oh man, God.
All right, should.
We're for now we're done.
All right. See you later,
Over
fans.
Now. Over now.
Bye.